How to add caption in KineMaster. If you are making an informative video and you want a caption, you're making your video to make it more informative. Then how you can add caption is by simply tapping on the audio that to turn it into a caption. Then then after over here you'll see the option of replace, trim and many more. There you can see the option of auto caption, so simply tap on it. There you'll see you can choose language and remove media in between. If you want to remove captions in between, then you can surely remove it whenever you want. So make sure you turn it on or off according to your preference. Then tap on generate. It might take some time according to your internet speed, so please don't close KineMaster or turn it off your device. Caption generation may take some time, so let's wait until then. Soon our caption will be added. Let's see. There you can see our caption has been added, but you have to adjust the size accordingly. You can adjust your size, adjust the text as you want.